Hi, my name is Marcel. I'm one of the technicians here at Meissner's Vacuum and Sewn Center. Today we'll be showing basic small maintenance on your vacuum cleaner bag and bagless. When it's time to check your bag here, you have a bag indicator. When it turns red here, you want to go ahead and check your bag, see if the bag is full. You want to open your latch, bring this down, tilt your latch bag release here, pull your bag out, take this out. You can check your first filter here, see if it's dirty or anything like that. If it is, go ahead and replace it. If not, you can just keep that in there. Just pull this out, put this back in there, and then attach your bag. Just make sure that's lined up, your arrows. Put that in there, slide it all the way back and then up, and then and check your secondary filter here, which is your final filter. Just click on that and this would pull right out. Okay, you want to check for dirt and dust on this side. If it is, just throw it away and you can replace it at least once or twice a year. Install it, just click in there, and that's all you have to do. Next thing you want to do is turn your machine upside down. You want to check your rollers, see if there's any thread or anything caught on the roller or wrapped around it. Some machines will have a groove on here like this. You can take either scissors, X-Acto knife, and just cut the thread off and just turn it as you're pulling the thread out without having to take the whole plate off. And you can just spin it with your hands, make sure it's freely. Now we have a bagless vacuum cleaner here, which doesn't use any bags, but you take this tank off here. You do have a couple of filters need to be changed. You have your first filter here, should be changed and washed at least once or twice a month on that. You can empty a tank on the bottom. You pull the trigger here. You have a secondary filter here, which comes out. And this comes off. You can go ahead and turn this one this way. This comes off. You want to check the back, make sure it's clean. If it's not, you just go ahead and spray wash it and let it set for 24 hours. Let it set and dry in the sun. Once it's dry, go ahead and install it. Match your arrows here, lock it in place, install your cap back on, and go ahead and lock it again. Okay, this was a how-to check your bag vacuum cleaner and your bagless. If you have any other issues with it, you can bring it in. We can do a quick check on it. If we have to check the machine further, there is a $25 diagnostic, but that does go towards the repair of your vacuum cleaner. And thank you for watching.